happening, people? Aadi Jain back here. So today's video is something different. I will be creating an art for the young ones. So I will be painting a flower field through poster colors. I have tried various mediums on this channel and poster colors seem to be the most convenient. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. List of supplies. So I am using a sheet of paper. I have taped it up for the borders. This is the sheet of paper. Then I am using brushes. This is the 11 number brush and one more brush. This is the 10 number brush. So these two brushes I will be using. I am using a rough cloth. Then I have a container with water. I have poster colors. I suggest the ones from Camel. I have the poster colors with me. Then I have a color palette for the shades. And these are the supplies. Let's get started. Yeah, so for the shade of yellow, I will be using lemon yellow and I will be mixing it with chrome yellow medium. As you can see the shade, and I have kept the water consistency more in the brush so that the color spreads quickly and it also becomes even. So now like this we have to fill half of the page with yellow and then we will head on to the blue. So enjoy. Yeah, so for the shade of blue, I will be using Marina blue, and this time also the water content in the brush is more. So like this, with a thick brush, the 11 number brush, I will just fill the leftover page with blue shade. And at places you can also add white to give it a lighter shade and the effect of clouds. So enjoy. Yeah, so the yellow and the blue are done and they look amazing already. So now let's make the stems of the flowers and the flowers. So for the stems I will be using light green shade, and for making the stems there's a simple trick. All you have to do is that you have to make random straight lines at the bottom of the paper. You can use a thinner brush for this and make sure to be super random, guys, as if you do them in order they won't give the nice effect. And guys, also you can make as many stems as you want, as this also looks very good. So this is how the stems look. They are almost done. How do they look, guys? And now guys, the most exciting and the most messy part, the flowers. So for the flowers, I have used this red poster color. And now we have to dip our fingers in the color and then we have to just take our fingerprint. So like this, I have dipped my finger and then I will start from here. One flower here, one flower here, then one flower here. Like this you have to do the flowers. Yeah, like this the flowers are almost done, and we can also make small dots of red by doing like this. This will also look really cool and it's looking good already. Kids will love this art and in boredom this will cheer them up surely. Just look at it, guys. It's messy, but it's very beautiful. It's best for kids. They will enjoy this a lot. beautiful flower field. And if you did, what are you waiting? Like the video, smash that subscribe button and comment down below what you want for the next video, and I'll be back soon. For now, bye.